friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in Ecomi. Ecomi is the best of cryptocurrencies in a cryptocurrencies market, the 57th position of OMI as in cryptocurrencies market. So in this video I'm going to tell the what price changes occur in OMI in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and complete my 2k subscriber. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel, so please I request you, please click the subscribe button and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see what price changes occur in the OMI in the last 1 hour. Let's see the live price changes in the of the OMI in the last previous 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that's the live price changes occur in the OMI in the last 1 hour. Oh my god, as you can see now in the graph of the OMI, so it's still as they are falling down as you can see here, and currently they are again falls down as you can see here. No, so the changes is also in the negative because the graph tells us that they are falls down, so the changes is also in negative. Negative 1.99% occur changes in the OMI in the last previous 1 hour. In the high price of OMI in the previous last 1 hour is $0.01196 is the high price of OMI in the previous last 1 hour. You are watching now the current price changes of the OMI in the last 1 hour. Now let's see what changes occur in the last 2 hours of OMI. As you can see, that is the live price prediction price changes in the last 2 hours. As you can see, the last 2 hours of OMI is also a good, they are take a small jump in the last previous 2 hours, but currently they are fast down. As you can see here, their last 1 hour is very badly, their last 1 hour they are fast down more and more, as you can see on the graph of this period. As you can see, the changes in the last 2 hours is negative 1.29% change occur in OMI in the previous 2 hours, and the high price of the OMI in the previous 2 hours is $0.012052 is the high price of OMI in a previous 2 hours. So that's the live price prediction of OMI in a previous 1 hour, 2 hour. You are watching only on ABS Tech channel, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more videos and updates.